All right, hi there, Wade again. So in this video, we're gonna talk about navigation links. Now that we know how to make views and make subviews, we can start moving from one view to another. So it's actually quite simple in SwiftUI, so let me walk you through it here. Let me make myself smaller, move myself over. All right, here's what we got in this app, okay? You can, we're just using another SwiftUI app using Mac Playgrounds. You're welcome to follow along and do the same. I've got my content view here. All I have is a VStack in it with that hello view we created in the last video. In the hello video, the hello view is just a struct hello view. I have a string for my name, and in the body, I just create a text view and I input the name. And I've just, designed it a little bit. So you can see it in the preview, blue square, hello Wade. Cool. All right, so what we're gonna do over here is let's get rid of the VStack. We don't necessarily have to get rid of the VStack, but we're gonna, because it doesn't serve our example. So we're gonna use a navigation link, but in order to use a navigation link, we have to use a navigation view. And that is what gives us the ability to move to another view and then hit the back button and go back, okay? So let's do a navigation view. And we'll just open it up. And then inside the navigation view, we're gonna use a navigation link. Now I'm gonna show you two different ones and I'll show you the advantage of one over the other, okay? But we'll use the basic navigation link. And the two that we're actually gonna mess with are this title and destination and the destination with a label. But first let's do the title and destination one. Let's give it a title. We'll give it simply the title, go to the next page. And then the destination, you can see by this syntax here that this is a closure. And so all we have to do is hit enter, so it formats it nicely. And now it's basically what view do you want to create when they click on the link. And we're just going to use the hello view, and I have the hello view that asks for input of a name. I'm going to give it the string, and let's just give it Wade. Cool. So you'll see right now the preview just updated, and you'll see go to the next page, and that is a navigation link that I can click on. And when I click on it, it sends us right over to a new page, and you'll see the hello view is right there. Pretty cool, right? So that's one way to do it. And you can go back and you can keep going back and forth, and you're good to go. The navigation view is what gives us the little back arrow and allows a new view to slide over top of the old view, okay? Okay, so the other navigation link that we can use is this one. So I'll do navigation link, and I'm gonna show you the one with destination and a label, okay? So if I hit enter on this one, you'll see again that it's two closures. And so all we have to do is hit enter on one and it'll format the code nicely. And in the top bit here, this code, the navigation link, this is where we're gonna write the view. So we're gonna do the hello view here. And this time let's do Peggy. And the code, now this is where we would simply put a string like go to the next page, but since it's code here, we can do something more fun. We could do something like an image, and we could do system name, so we could, display an icon. So let's just do a simple one. Let's just do arrow up. And now you'll see in my preview that I actually have an image right there. And if I click on that, then it will do the same exact thing, and you'll see hello Peggy there. So this is how you do navigation. You create a navigation view, and then you use a navigation link to send you to the new view that you tell it to show you. And this is two unique ways that you can set it up. So play around with navigation view, start making multiple views, and in each view use a navigation view and a link to send it to the next view. And you can just keep doing this over and over and over again. So it's pretty cool. So with that being said, I will see you in the next video. Bye.